Heaven knows your voice. Creation recognizes your authority. Demons tremble at the whisper of your name. You are not a suggestion, you are sovereign. You are not trying to be God. You are God. Mountains move when you speak. Storms kneel when you rise. Graves open when you command. Who can stand against you? No one. You stepped into time to rescue what time was killing. You wore flesh to redeem what flesh destroyed. And now chains are breaking, fear is bowing, destiny is waking up, because you are still on the throne. Jehovah Jireh, Jehovah Rapha, Jehovah Nissi, this weak will bow to you. This fear will bow to you. This mountain will bow to you. Not by my power, but by your before the last note fades, you will still be God. Amen. Heaven knows your voice before the last note fades. You will still be God. Amen. Heaven knows your voice. Heaven knows your voice. Amen.